Honorable Dean of Faculty of Economic and Business, Diponegoro University, Professor Dr. Suharnomo SE MSc, Professor Dr. Balakrishnan Pasuraman, Faculty of Entrepreneurship and Business, University Malaysia, Kelantan, the Head of Doctoral Program in Economic, Faculty of Economic and Business, University Diponegoro University, the Secretary of Doctoral Program in Economics, Faculty of Economics and Business, Diponegoro University, Dr. Fuad Masud Mir as the moderator of the event today. Respected audience, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's praise our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most gracious, the most merciful, the creator and sustainer of the universe, so we can all attend and participate in this online event without any obstacles. Today, October the 4th, 2021, we proudly present guest lecture with the theme of the impact of employee participation on minimum wage policy in Malaysia, issues and the way forward. As the first agenda of today's event, I would like to invite the Dean of Faculty of Economic and Business, Diponegoro University, for an opening speech. To Professor Dr. Suharnomo SE MSc, time is yours.
Terima kasih Mbak Lina. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. Warm greeting to all of us. Distinguished speaker, Prof. Bala, Pak Anies, Pak Fuad as our moderator, academician, audience, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude and welcome to Professor Balakrishnan Parasuraman, President Malaysian Industrial Relations and Human Resource Association, and also Professor of Human Resources, Faculty of Entrepreneurship and Business, University Kelantan, Malaysia. And this morning, pleased to be a speaker at our international webinar at a doctoral program, Faculty of Economic and Business. Today, Professor Parasuraman will present the topic, the impact of employee participation on minimum wage policy in Malaysia, issues and way forward. Ladies and gentlemen, instrument of industrial relation in Indonesia include company regulation, collective labor agreement, employers and workers organization, mediators, and bipartite and tripartite cooperation institution. This instrument provide system for negotiation of various standards such as the minimum specification in collective labor. Policies have been a particular challenge. Each year, the Tripartite Wage Council was tasked with undertaking a survey of a basket of goods to determine the wage that is needed for a single worker to obtain a minimum decent standard of living, or we can call it kebutuhan hidup layak, KHL. Following the recommendation from the Wage Council, the governor and mayor was tasked with setting the provincial minimum wage annually. Ideally, the minimum wage should be equivalent with the KHL. However, over time, a gap between the KHL assessment and the minimum wage emerged. There are several reasons for this, including the failure of the Wage Council to reach a consensus on the KHL and political lobbying from employers and workers to influence the decision on setting of the minimum wage. Ladies and gentlemen, the data by ADB show that the collective bargaining in Indonesia is limited. Analysis of trend in collective bargaining in recent years indicate that while the number of collective agreement registered has been increasing in recent years, the overall number of collective agreement and associate cover the workers remain quite limited. The limited scope and scale of collective bargaining in Indonesia often result in worker organizations using minimum wage mechanism as the primary mechanism for improving wages and working conditions. This is our situation in Indonesia, Prof. Bala. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining our webinar series. May we have a fruitful discussion and we all gain new and valuable knowledge through the event experience from our beloved country, Malaysia. Thank you, stay safe and have a great discussion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Professor Dr. Suharnomo, SE, MSE. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, move to the following agenda. We have come to the main part, the reason we are here for, the guest lecture with Professor Dr. Balakrisan Pasuraman, Faculty of Entrepreneurship and Business, University Malaysia, Kelantan, that will be opened and moderated by Dr. Fuad Masud Mir. We cordially invite Dr. Fuad Masud Mir to open and read the brief CV of the keynote speakers. To Dr. Fuad Masud Mir, time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Dina. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
The Honorable Professor Suharnomo as Dean of the Faculty of Economics, Diponegoro University. The Honorable Professor Anis Hariri as the head of doctorate program in economics and business, and the Honorable Professor Balakrisna Parasuraman, special distinguished speaker today, and all respected participants. Ladies and gentlemen, before we come to the main session, that's the presentation by Professor Balakrisnan. Let me inform the following agenda for this morning. First, the first session is a presentation by Professor Balakrisnan, and then continued by the second session is discussion and question. Ladies and gentlemen, before presentation is begun, let me read the biography of the Honorable Professor Balakrisnan Pasuraman. Professor Balakrisnan Pasuraman has 20 years experience in University Malaysia, Sabah, and also 8 years as a professor since 2013, founding head of International Office, UMK, University Malaysia, Kelantan, former director of Industrial Linkage and Collaboration Office, ILCO UMK, advisor, Bursa Saham Student Club UMK, Deputy Director Student Affairs UMS, 2010 and 2011, Technical Committee of National Consultation Wage Council since 2011 till now, and Minister of Human Resource. Co-chair Workers Participation Study Group, International Employment Relations Association, International Labour Organization, ILO, Geneva. Research grant from ILO, World Bank, European Action Fellowship, Union, Italy, and Malaysia. And also published around 18 books and more than 200 articles in referred journal, posting book chapters, and also magazine like Dewan Ekonomi, Dewan Masyarakat in Malaysia. Invited visiting research fellow in University of Groningen, Holland, visiting professor University of Indonesia, and also visiting research fellow of University of Wollongong, Australia, and also visiting professor Wako University, Japan. I think there is a long list of article and also books published by Professor Balakrisnan. Now we invite Professor Balakrisnan to present the lecture, and time and channel are yours.
Thank you, our distinguished moderator, Dr. Fuad. May I ask permission to share my screen? Give me 1 minute.